In today's video, I'm going to teach you the best way to type an emoji in Notion, a versatile tool many use for organizing their notes, projects, and plans. If you've ever wanted to add a touch of personality to your Notion workspace with some colorful emojis, then this guide is for you. Let's dive in and effortlessly integrate emojis into your Notion environment. First things first, you'll need to open your browser and access your connected workspace in Notion. If you're not already signed into your workspace, navigate through the usual route you take to your Notion dashboard. Notion is this incredible platform that can be tailored to work as your personal wiki, an elaborate documentation tool, or even a project management hub. Once you've reached Notion, the next step is to click on the Login button. This brings you to the page where you can enter your credentials. If your account's already been set up to remember your info, you might jump straight into the home screen, which is super convenient. After you're logged in, find your way to the Notion home. This is where you have a bird's-eye view of all your workspaces and ongoing projects. If you're using Notion for the first time, the home area is the main dashboard where all your pages are organized in a manner that suits your workflow. It's kind of your launchpad for moving into more specific areas within Notion. Now, click on any page where you wish to add an emoji. When you open a Notion page, it might be a simple blank slate or a densely populated workspace. Either way, it's entirely adaptable according to your needs. Here's the fun part. Once you're on the page, simply type in Emoji. This command is a quick shortcut to access Notion's diverse emoji library. Notion's straightforward interface makes it incredibly simple to find what you need with just a few keystrokes. As soon as you type in the command, a drop-down menu will appear showcasing various emoji options. Finally, click on the emoji icon from the menu. This action allows you to insert emojis directly into your page. Whether you want to place them at the start of a note, within a task list, or alongside your project titles, emojis can be a fantastic way to make your pages visually appealing and easy to navigate. And there you have it. A simple yet effective way to bring your Notion pages to life with emojis. By following these steps, you can enhance the visual appeal of your documents and inject a bit of your personality or project mood into your workspace. Enjoy exploring and personalizing your Notion setup with this playful element. Happy Notioning!